Don't ask for feet pics, by the way. Look at them.
I made that. You saw that?
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah! This is so great. All right, it's the Lotion Boys. I'm Constantino.
I'm Jordan. I'm Andy.
And we're basically at Chick-fil-A, and this is our frog, Frank.
Frank the Frog.
Frank the Frog.
Sure.
I think. Does he like lotion?
Lotion? Does Frank like lotion?
That is so sexy.
Bro, I wonder what they're building there, Lukey.
I don't think they have enough mats, honestly.
No, it's mine.
High key, I wonder if she likes my frog.
Bro, just show her the frog. Alright, here's
Frank! Oh, dude. We're at the beach. You know, cat. Yeah, so Gracie wants to fight me for some reason, dude.
Alright, I'll videotape it. This is gonna be wild.
I'm gonna put like pina coladas in.
This frog goes
5 feet. 5 feet. That's almost 6 feet, dude. That's really long. What do you guys think? Could have gone longer, dude. Oh my god, they need lotion. Hold on.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just